Tamarie, Tapatore, Ubi, ko tai mai ko tata whananga te mana o te whaikari e te ara kei tenei ai a kore re ki koki o te uru tātu mea tenei tenei ngangara ko te matairi ka ringa ia mātau i tēnei wātou o te waitaka no reira ka tama a liana ki kore re ki koki atu mari e kia koe te tua kanei
Ata Marie Thames iana.
E mihi ana ki a koe. Ko tau mai tēnei karere i nā nahira ki o iwi nui o te atia ua whānui o Taranaki, o te rohe o Taranaki nei. Nō reira, for those of you who are joining us yesterday, we have received some news late last night with regards to a positive case of COVID-19 here in Aotearoa. I would like to just hand it over to Liana right now to share some kōrero with us about this, the latest case and some key messages that you'd like to share with our whānau at this time, please.
Tēnā koe, e Tamsin. Tēnā tātou, i te tuatahi ka tika me tuku aku whakaaro ki te whānau ngaia me tō tātou tungane a mā ke takoto ana ki Parihaka. I tēnei o ngā wā me te aroha nui ki tōna whānau e noho ana ki ahi te reiria, koe Māori, Dee me te whānau, taku mihi aroha nui ki a koutou i tēnei wā taumaha. Nā reira, e te tungane, takoto mai rā, i runga i tō papakainga i tēnei wā, me te mata koe i tō okitanga. Me tātou anō, me tēnei o ngā ngangara e ki nei koe Tamsin, te kōwhiori, nā reira, ko taku pānui tēnei ata, ko tēnei. Morena, everybody, just a quick pānui from me this morning. A positive COVID case was confirmed in Waitara yesterday or last night, and what we know is that the case is connected to last week's cases associated with Devon, Intermediate and Marfell. So they were a close case, Hitamaiti, and so because they knew about being a close contact of the others, they have been at home isolating, but we do know there are a few contacts, which is why we're really asking our whānau in Waitara and Hurinoi te maunga, if you have symptoms to please go and get tested, because that's our way of knowing whether it's spread or not and whether it's in our community. So it's really precautionary. Just, I guess there's no real need to panic at the moment because they've identified the close contacts. And one part I had last night was, will the parents be tested? How do we know if we're close contacts? And I guess the message is if in the, the kōrero that the public health unit has when they're interviewing positive cases in their whānau, if you're identified as a close contact, you'll be contacted directly by them. So if you haven't been contacted directly by them, then you're not considered a close contact at this point. But those interviews are still going. At the moment, there aren't any locations of interest. And so at the moment, we'll wait and see what comes out in the rest of the kōrero with the whānau today. But yeah, really the message is if you've got symptoms, please go and get tested. We're standing up a pop-up drive-through testing site in Waitara at the War Memorial Hall, and that will be supported by the DHB Tui Ora and our iwi kaiarahi. And so our iwi kaiarahi will be down there to help navigate that process for our whānau. And we had a practice run with that site a little while back. So those of you that drove past will see how it operates in one side, out the other side. No appointments needed. Just go along if you are feeling unwell and think you need to be tested. And also there's the vaccination clinic that's been operating out of Ngāti Rahiri office on Queen Street in New World, both of those, the testing site and the vaccination clinic, kick off at 10 a.m. today. So head down there, whānau, and around the maunga, we've got our site in New Plymouth at Base Hospital, also at Hawera Hospital, and then we have, you know, the vaccination clinics that are happening also. So just keep checking out the social media pānui, Tui Ora site, the DHB, locations of interest. Keep an eye on those. But as we get more info, we'll definitely put that pānui out. But really, it's for those that are symptomatic at the moment, because there aren't any locations of interest. And as I say, if you are a close contact that's been identified, you will be contacted directly about that. So I think that's it really, sister.
Beautiful.
Yeah, just that there are those things specifically in Waitara today. So just noho haumaru e te whānau, and also check out, again, we're promoting the Protect Your Whānau with preparing a whānau plan to manage COVID if it comes into your whare. And so that information is out there, you know, on our websites and on our Facebook pages as well. So check those out if you want to get your whānau prepared.
Awesome. Thank you. And I'm so grateful that you could come on with us this morning. Ko tātou mea, ka te mohi au tino pukumahi koe I tēnei wā. But I also know that our whānau really look forward to hearing the update from you, to let us know what's happening. And I'm getting a message coming through our PMs here. People are asking me if they should be sending their kids to kura or not. What would you say to them, sis, the whānau that are living out here in Waitara?
I think if you have a real concern about your tamaiti going to kura, then, you know, the absolute choice is yours to keep them at home. But because there hasn't, you know, we're not aware of any locations of interest, i.e. this tamaiti was at home because they weren't sent to school because they were connected to those previous cases. So I think if there was a concern around that, then the kura would have been contacted and advised to let whānau know. So if that hasn't happened for your kura, then, you know, you should assume that it's okay for your kids to still go to kura. But again, if anybody is feeling unwell in your whare, then probably the best precaution to take is for, you know, for your whānau to go and get tested and stay home. That's the other message. Once you are tested, stay home till you get your results, whānau. Because if you get tested and it comes back positive, but you've been on a tipi haere all over the place, then that doesn't help us, you know, protect others. So I think that would be my advice, really. But keep in touch with your kura, your tumuaki. They'll have messages for you as well.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Great update. We love hearing from you. It just helps us all to get to a level of comfort where, okay, cool, we've heard from Liana, and now we set our family plans up, whānau plans. And also, like you were saying, it's important, more now than ever, that our whānau make sure, you know, that they go and get checked. Also, the vaccination is available for any of our whānau who aren't vaccinated yet.
Yeah, and this really is, you know, it's tokomaru waka, right? All of our tokomaru waka iwi are in Waitara. So not just Te Atiawa, it's all of us. We're all in our waka together. So, you know, if you want to be vaccinated and haven't done so, please go now, whānau. It's a really good opportunity to go now. And yeah, just stay safe and look after each other.
Awesome. Thank you. Perfect advice for this fabulous Friday. And I'm sending you so much aroha i te tuakana, and we'll see you again real soon. Lots of love to you.
Ka pai, ngā mai.
Ngā mihi nui kia koe. Te whānau, ko Liana Poutu tira, ki muhi mai koto he tino pukumahi aia. He oe anō e mihi nei kia koto katoa, koto kua hono mai ki te mātakitaki ki tēnei pāpāhotanga mataora. Yo te anora koutou kua hono mai ki te wakarongo ki ngā kōrero o te wā. Ko i tērā ko le ana pautu te tia manau o te kotaitanga o te ati awa. He pānui anō tāku nei, e hāngai puana ki te hui ātau mo Parinini i ki Waitotara, ka tū hei te rāhororangi ko te tū mai nei. Anō reira me wātoro atu rā o koutou ringa ki te wārangi pukamata o Parinini i ki Waitotara, tā rātou wārangi ipurangi rānei. So if you check out the Facebook page for Parinini i ki Waitotara, PKW, and also Miki, their website, PKW website, it is the AGM hui coming up this Sunday. Kei reira ngā kōrero me ngā wakamauki kei te pai. Atu i tērā, koe au e tautoko i ngā wakaro nui, ki tērā o ngā mate e tira ake ki te tō tātou marae papakainga o parihaka i tēnei wā, ko te aroha e tuku, ko te aroha e rere kia koutou kei te wānau ngaia. Ko te anō kia koe Auntie Murray, o katahi anō au ka rongo i te rironga, mo te rironga o tō tama. Nō reire e tuku atu nei i te aroha nui kia koutou e te iwi e te wānau. Meno o haumaru koutou, i tēnei wā o te au roku roku ki te āneanea o koutou kāinga, mā ngāri ki te wā i ngaro tātou katoa e manaki, rire hau. Pai mārire.